A really good bit of advice that I do give patients is when we're telling them about their drugs and we're telling them about steroids and dexamethozone, we normally advise to give in the morning with breakfast. However, I do have a number of patients that will come to me and say, "Oh Tanya, I'm still not sleeping." So I ask them to switch it to tea time or bedtime and try that for their next cycle. And sometimes that helps, just switching as you know, when their body's absorbing it, you know, they go off to bed, they wake up and then they're wide awake and they're ready. And just these simple little things can make a huge impact, because it's not just the impact on their quality of life, but it's also their compliance of how they're taking the medication as well. So you know you're giving them the optimal medication that you've prescribed for them.